Alright guys, I'm gonna check out our next what the F bar UK drills. Part 9. I literally just watched part 8. That shit was funny. So I'm gonna check out part 9 and see what's going on.
More than my BM, more than my link.
Car that you was talking bears on the net and he needed a poker. Just know him, I'm a wet man down. Ching splash, it gives me a boner. Ching splash, it gives me a boner.
Plus she give me head like that nigga hoe in Bristol. Went to the juju man, he showed me the crystal. Went to the juju man, he showed me the crystal.
Juju man, is that like an Obe man? What is going on?
Look,
so that's the Juju man.
That's probably a dream about murder. I wish I could make it real, and I wish I could take it further. Yeah, I just got touched by a nerd, so I called my worker, like get me a rapist ASAP. I'ma turn this youth to a J-bag.
Dude, does these guys write these lyrics and play them and go like, yeah, that's a banger, let's put it out? I don't know, bro, if these guys have a list about their tracks or what, but that's sick.
I've fallen in love with the dark side. You're only a bad boy part-time. I got murder porn in my archive. So I got murder porn in my archive.
Murder porn. So we get off by bloody body.
So
Police! 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 Help! Police! Help!
No sleep in the bando for months, I'm so tired I can't even see straight. I keep lugging these packs and it's hurting my ass, ain't shit for like 3 days.
I keep lugging these packs. I'm starting to question these UK rappers right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm starting to question these UK rappers right now.
Slap this one in the heat, I'm letting it be like MJ. This Cali pack is well too loud, it smells like...
Dude, I see something jiggling. I have to go back and see what's going on right there. I see something jiggling, bruh. Ooh,
I'm letting
clean.
it be like MJ.
Clean.
This Cali pack is well too loud, it smells like Abdi's feet.
If I get back good things, just know that we don't sing. Nah, spent my legs on the streets, and I spent my legs on the streets. And
Young boy OT with a pack up, and his mummy thinks he's gone missing. Thoughts give drops, of course we ching women. Are you kidding? Of course we ching women.
017, no kids and women. This year I'm hitting pets as well. This year I'm hitting pets as well. This year I'm hitting pets as well.
Oh my god. Dude, they're putting in they're putting in so good edits. It's crazy.
I was speaking with Axe but pissing on Shakes' his mum, what a fucking laugh. So I might just dig up your mum and then make her suck my willy.
You need Jesus.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?
Yo, dude.
I've got nothing left. I've got nothing.
I don't know if this one is more funnier than episode 8. I don't know, man, but this shit was funny. Alright guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Man, these things are funny. Listen, these UK rappers, I wonder if they actually, well, they must know what, listen, I feel like they know what they're doing. I feel like they know what they're doing, bro. They sing this thing to get fame and notoriety, and it's just weird, but people are just like what people is making video of this, and they getting a lot of views, bro. It's crazy. But anyway guys, this is the end of the reaction video.